Hey guys, I got it here, Pokemon Sword and Shield Ultra Premium Collection Charizard. The easiest way to get a Charizard is right here, and I think it's more than one. So let's open it up, see what's inside. Beautiful box. Let's go. Ooh, magnets on it, crispy. So I think this will slide out like this. Ooh, nice. So there's a mat, Charizard mat, and this will flip over actually this way, and we have right here like a card holders. Ooh, there it is, Charizard, and few boxes, and we could use this box to hold the bulk or whatever. Okay, let's see. I think there's still something inside here. There's also a booklet. Evolving Skies, all about it. Sweet. So let's get straight into it. Code card, and we got it here, Charizard V, beautiful full art, and Charizard V Max, and Charizard V Star. Some awesome hits right here. 3 Charizard comes with it. Love it. Look at that. Fire Dragon right here, and I don't know which one is your favorite. Mine is probably be this one, but they all very unique, so keep it right here. So metal dice, I like that a lot, that is metal. Charizard pack holder, like sleeves for playing deck. Ooh, metal coins right here, 2 of them. Okay, we'll keep it right here. Fusion Strike, looks like 4. Evolving Skies, wow. 3. Vivid Voltage, Chase for Pikachu. What is there, another coin? Ooh, that's a Charizard, a metal coin. That's nice. Okay, keep on going. What else we got right here? Lost Origin, Astaradians, 3, Brilliant Star 3. So 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, I think 16 packs, something like that, unless I lost count. So let's put this aside and open it, a bunch of stuff, see what we'll get. Yeah, and that's a Charizard mat over here. Start with the Brilliant Stars. That's a lot of fun, opening up collections like that. Get a little bit of variety, and most important, metal coins and dice are so awesome, way better than plastic, you know. Okay, reverse holo, nothing. Will it be awesome pull rates? Every box will be pretty different obviously, but that'll be my result right here. Ooh, Gloria, full art trainer, nothing behind her. I'll take that, that's nice. Keep on going. From the back. Ooh, wow, Mimikyu VMAX. We're getting hits. Look how beautiful that card is. Behind there, Draco Wish V. There's some awesome hits. 3 hits from 3 packs. That's pretty amazing, especially from like back to back. Let's keep on going. What we'll get. Reverse holo, that's pretty. Oh, and a holo, we'll take it. Astaradians, there's some pretty good pulls there too. Ooh, another hit. Origin form Delgo Vista. Sorry for my mispronunciation. So 4 hits. Let's keep on going. Some of those I never seen before, so it takes a minute to figure it out. Ooh, is there a hit? How to pronounce it? Or did I just see reverse hollow? I need more coffee. Okay. Move to the side the bulk. There's some volleyball cards in the bulk too. See what we get. Pikachu and nothing behind there. Come on, Lost Origin. Ooh, Pikachu VMAX Gold. That's a good one. Wow, I cannot believe the hits. Nothing behind there. I do not have that one. Wow, I'm like kind of shocked how many pulls we're getting. Will we get the Pikachu from here? This is the everybody wants that one card. I think it's like a shiny Pikachu or something from Vivid Voltage. Really hard to pull from. Pretty rare. Let's go. Let's see what we get. Can't believe it. We had 5 pretty awesome pulls. Oh my gosh, another hit. I have that one already. Look at that, the borders comes out. Nothing behind there, but we'll count as a hit because those are pretty rare. Now let's do Fusion Strike. Really hard to pull the Gengar. That's nice. Wow. Boltond V. Some awesome hits. Looking for this chase card. Ooh, I think I see something. Back to back. Let's go find out what it is. It looks really promising. No way. I can't believe how many hits there are. Almost spoiled the surprise over here. Reverse and... oh, nice. Interleon VMAX. Beautiful full art again. What's behind there? That's it. So keep getting hits back to back. Even on Fusion Strike too. Filled with hits. That's amazing. Probably would buy it again for sure. This stuff. Ooh, Battle Pass. This is a nice card as well. Non-hollow, but we'll take it. Really popular. That's a nice reverse too. Okay, I don't think we got anything. Let's see. Reverse and a hollow. Okay, really happy with that. Will we pull from Evolving Skies? This is a really nice box right here. Evolving Skies, almost chase box, right? There's some really good stuff out there. I don't want to open for me. So, will we pull the most valuable cards right there? Let's find out. That's a good reverse stainer as well. Nothing behind there. 2 more to go, and I'm already super happy with the hits and pulls that we got. So anything else will be just a bonus. Okay, just hollow. Okay, last pack. Okay, let's go. Nice. Wow, we got another full out hit. Rayquaza VMAX full out. Wow, that's insane. What are we? 3, 5, 9 hits, plus we have right here some Charizards. That is an amazing box. I cannot believe it. Some variety for sure. Guys, I just looked up this card, and what is happened? $325 plus dollar shipping, and look at that. The value of this card is $261. Wow, we just hit the chase card. Not the best chase card, there's way better ones in that set, that's why it's a chase pack, but we did it. What just happened? You know what, I could probably go and buy a couple more after all these hits, same boxes. Definitely an amazing hit. Wow.